Alright, so we are going to be pruning this tree here. So the rule of thumb with trees is you want to, when you're pruning them, is you want to only take about 25 to 30% off the tree at most. So things you want to look for are branches that are crisscrossing or rubbing against each other. We want to remove that problem. You want to make sure there's nice airflow in between all the branches, which is why we prune them. Another thing I'm going to do is raise the canopy of the tree, so there's two lower branches that I'm going to get rid of so that it puts growth into the top part rather than down here where it could potentially interfere with other plantings that I have around the area. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to prune a tree. When pruning off large offshoots like this, you want to get pretty close to the trunk of the tree, but you do want to leave a little bit of a stub there. That helps prevent like potential disease from getting into the rest of the tree, and then it helps kind of callus that over as well. So I'm going to prune this right there, and then this one. Alright, so this branch here is one where it's an example of crisscrossing. So as you can see, it juts out towards this larger branch and rubs against it. So we're going to go ahead and prune this one off too. So another thing you want to look for is any small offshoots that are going inwards towards the tree or would cause there to be a blockage of airflow towards the center of the tree. So again, we're just going to go ahead and snip that. So I hope that that guide was helpful. I know it was a quick, short guide, but there's really not a ton to know when it comes to pruning trees. Just look out for those key things. And then again, remember, big tip is do not remove more than 25 to 30% of the tree when you are doing that pruning. So really pay attention to what you're pruning. The important things like branches crisscrossing, things growing straight up into the center of the tree versus out towards the canopy shape of the tree, and then also raising the lower branches of the canopy of the tree. So there you go.